हेलो। हाँ बेटा, बी मजा है। आई थिंक जस्ट वेट बेटा, 5 to 7 minutes. So beta, what I taught in the last lecture?
So 1 second, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir, I'm back.
Yeah, tell me beta. What I taught in the last lecture?
We did a quadratic function, sir.
Topic name?
Quadratic function,
So
like with
yeah,
graphs.
already function, but what is the last topic? Let me know about that. How to draw the parabola. This is completed, na?
Yes, sir.
What was the last question?
Last question, sir. The last question. 1 second, let me look in my notebook.
Tell me beta.
I don't think I wrote down the last question we did, sir.
Okay.
It was something related to parabola.
Axis of symmetry is completed now. Discussion of axis of symmetry.
Axis symmetry.
Axis of symmetry.
Let me
Axis
check.
of symmetry discussion is completed or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So our thing is that ki beta, how to draw the parabola. How to draw parabola. How to draw parabola. Okay. So first condition. First, if roots are real, then plot the roots and draw parabola. Draw parabola through them upward or downward. Upward or downward according to A. According to A. So if roots are real, then plot the roots and draw parabola through them upward or downward according to A. Okay. So example 1, I'm just starting the session from the basic example 1. Example is that ki y is equal to xx square minus 3x plus 2. So I think this is factorizable. So try to factorize it. Simply this is y is equal to x minus 2, x minus 1. So this is the beta axis here. This is the x-axis. So one root is 2 and another is 1. And this is beta y-axis. Okay. This is the y-axis. So two distinct root. So the shape of the parabola is like this, that one. This is the same. Okay. So this is the beta 0 comma c or 0 comma 2. Okay. And this is beta root 1. So this is 1 comma 0. And this will be beta 2 comma 0. 2 comma 0. Okay. So that is the curve of this equation y is equal to xx square minus 3x plus 2. Any doubt? Let me know. Number 2. Number 2 is y is equal to 4x minus xx square plus 5. So just take minus common. So xx square minus 4x minus 5. Got it now? So I think beta this is x minus 5 into x plus 1. So guys, this is the beta axis here. Okay. And beta sign of the expression is negative. Xx square sign will be negative. A will be negative. So graph is beta downward parabola. So this is the beta axis here. Okay. So graph will be downward parabola. So like this. This is the beta graph. Okay. Now, this is the graph. So I think this will be beta minus 1. This will be what? 5. This is origin. And this is beta 0 comma c. So I think this will be beta 0 comma 5. Okay. So that is the final curve of this parabola. I think this is clear to all. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Yeah. Third, let's say y is equal to 8x minus xx square. Another curve. So just to beta, first of all, just to proper just take minus common. So minus x common. So what we got? X minus 8. So roots will be x is equals to 0, 8. Okay, guys. So guys, this is the beta axis here. So graph is passing from origin. This is 0 and this is 8, and this is beta, I think this is beta 0 plus 8 by 2, I think 4. So that is the curve of this expression. Okay beta, let us take another curve. Another curve is 4 y is equal to xx square plus 2x minus 2. So I think beta a is equal to what? A is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, c is equals to minus 2, d is equal to b square minus 4ac. So I think beta 4 minus 4 into 1 into minus 2. So I think beta this is 12. The roots is what? Roots is beta minus 2 plus minus, okay, upon 2 means what? Minus 1 plus root 3. Got it now? Minus 1 plus root 3. So draw the beta parabola. So that is the beta axis here, x-axis. Okay now, x-axis. So this is the curve. So this is the curve. Okay, and 1 minute. This will be, this is beta minus 1 minus root 3, and this will be minus 1 plus root 3, and this is the beta y-axis here. This is the y-axis. Okay, because beta y-axis is very closer to beta this one, minus 1 plus root 3. Okay now, and this will be beta axis of symmetry. Okay, so that's clear. This is origin. So this is the beta curve. So note it down beta, and it out, let me know.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yeah, beta, tell me.
Sir, in the second one, why is it an upward curve? Why is it not a downward curve? Because c is equal to minus 2.
Yeah, beta coefficient of this is beta 1. This is the coefficient of x square is 1. A is 1. Okay. Coefficient of x is 2, so b is 2. And this is constant term, c is minus 2. Using the formula discriminant, d is equal to b square minus 4ac. So b is 2a square, 4 minus 4 times of a into c. D is 12. So using the finding the roots, x barabar minus b plus minus root d by 2a. So by the help of this formula, we have to finding the roots. Okay. This is the class 10th standard formula beta. So a is
Yes, sir.
positive. What beta?
Yes, sir.
So a is positive, so graph will be upward parabol. Okay. And root is minus 1 plus minus root 3. So this is minus 1 minus root 3, and this is minus 1 plus root 3, because root 3 is beta 1.732. So minus 1 minus 1.732 is minus 2.732. This is beta negative axis, negative roots. So this is the outside from the y-axis in the left position, and this is minus 1 plus root 3. This is beta nearer to what? Y-axis, because this is minus 1 plus root 3, but the root 3 is 1.732. Minus 1 plus 1.732 is beta 0.732. This is very close to beta y-axis. Okay, now. So
Yes,
that
sir.
is
Understood.
overlook of the graph.
So if it's a greater than 0, it will be upward.
That A is positive, graph is upward parabola. A is negative, graph is downward parabola. Okay,
Yes,
here A is negative. Just consider A is negative, graph is downward parabola. Beta, I already discussed in the last lecture, beta.
Yes, sir, you did, but I got confused a bit.
Okay. Note it down.
Answer.
Done now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Point number 3. If roots are not real, then locate vertex and then from vertex make parabola according to A. I'm just giving example. From the example, you can understood properly. Example is y is equal to minus xx square plus 2x minus 5. So A is what? A is minus 1. B is what? B is 2. And C is minus 5. So D is beta B square minus 4AC. B square minus 4AC. So B is beta 2 square minus 4 times of minus 1 into minus 5. So 4 times of 20, that is 24. Got it? Oh, no. This is minus beta, okay. 4 minus 20 minus 16. Okay. So here roots here beta discriminant will be negative. So what we can do, so we have to find the vertex. And how to find vertex? I already discussed in the last lecture, the vertex is beta what? Minus b by 2a upon minus d upon 4a. I already discussed in the last lecture. So vertex is what beta? Simply minus 2 upon 2 into minus 1 comma d, matlab minus of minus 16 upon 4a. A is what? A is minus 1. So that is beta 1 minus 4. Your vertex will be beta 1 minus 4. So draw the parabola. So let's say this is your axis here. This is your beta axis, y-axis, x-axis. And let's say beta, this is 1. Okay. This is 1. And and this is beta -4. This is -4. Okay. Okay, this is the beta parabola. Okay, now. So beta this is what 0 comma c. This is beta 0 comma c matlab -5. Okay, na 0 comma c 0 comma -5, and this is the vertex. Vertex will be what 1 comma -4. 1 comma -4. One comma -4. Anything else? Done beta.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm just talking about the point number 4. Point 4. If b is equal to 0, then vertex will lie on y-axis. Just consider what is the condition of vertex. Vertex is beta minus b upon twice a what minus d upon 4. This is the condition of vertex. So b is 0. So what we can do, simply 0 comma, and this is beta b square minus 4ac. At the place of b we can write b square minus 4ac upon 4a upon 4a upon beta 4a. So my dear student, what you observe, b will be negative. B will be matlab 0. B square will be 0. Okay na, this term will be 0. So what we got beta, simply beta we got 4 to 4 cancel, so simply beta got 0 comma c. 0 comma c. So if beta b is equal to 0, graph will lie on the y-axis. Okay, let's example. So first example, y is equal to 3x square plus 7. So beta what to observe, y-axis. So here beta y will be 0 na, so graph will lie on the y-axis. This is beta 0 comma c, I think beta 0 comma 7. This is origin. This is the shape of the graph. This is the shape of the graph. So let's say example number 2. Example 2, let's say y is equal to 9 minus 4x square. So simple condition here, xy axis. Okay. So beta simply a is negative, graph is downward parabola. Okay. So this is beta 0 comma 9, and this is beta 0. This is beta minus 3 by 2. This is 3 by 2. Okay. So you can simply observe. Got it now? Any doubt, let me know.
No doubt, sir.
Okay. Last question. Just try once. Done. Try to solve. Done. So beta, just draw the xy coordinate, xy plane. This is the y-axis. The x-axis. So graph is downward parabola, no doubt, and the graph is on the simply y-axis because x coordinate will be 0. Sorry, x will be 0, b is 0. Graph is, I think, this graph is lie on the completely y-axis. This is 0, -3. Okay, so I'm just giving the some work. Question is that draw the graph. First curve is y is equal to x square plus 4x. Second one is y is equal to 2x square plus 3x plus 4. Y is equal to x minus 4 into 5 minus x. Y is equal to x square plus x minus 1. Y is equal to 8x square minus 9. Y is equal to 9 minus x square. Y is equal to 2x minus 4x square plus 7. So, guys, I'm just giving you 5 minutes. Try to solve this problem. I'm just giving you 5 minutes. Solve it, beta. डन बेटा। दिया मुझे। बेटा जल्दी करो, कितना टाइम लोगे? Hmm. 5 minutes completed, guys. Shamita, what happened? आंसर आया? ग्राफ ड्रॉ की? Do fast, better do fast. So beta, we will start the discussion. So first graph, observe the first graph. First is beta y is equal to xx square plus 4x. Y is equal to xx square plus 4x. Just take x common, so we get simply x plus 4. So roots is beta what? Roots will be 0 or minus 4. Got it now? So draw the graph. So this is the beta xy plane. Graph is passing through origin, no doubt. But important observation is that here graph is negative. So roots will be, this is the curve here. This is the curve here. So this is beta what? Minus 4. And this will be 0. And this is beta what? So minus b by 2a. So this is minus 2 and this will be what? Minus 4. This will be minus 4. Minus 4. Minus d upon 4a. Yeah. Minus 4. Got it now? Done beta? So this is your first curve. Okay. Observe the second curve. Second is beta y barabar 2xx square plus 3x plus ka 4. A is equal to 2. B is equal to 3. C is equals to 4. D is equal to b square minus 4ac. B is beta 3a square minus 4 times of a and c. 9 minus 4 32. I think minus 23. What is the vertex? So vertex will be beta minus b upon 2a minus d upon 4a. So vertex is beta minus b minus 3 by 4 and minus d upon 4 23 upon 8. Okay. So 1 minute. So curve. So okay now. 1 second. This is beta what? Minus 3 by 4. And this is beta minus 23 by 8. And this is what? 0 comma c. 0 comma 4. This is the second graph. Okay. This is the second graph. Got it, Nabata?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Observe the third one. Third is beta y is equal to x minus 4, 5 minus 6. Just take minus common. X minus 4, x minus 5. Okay. So x minus 4, okay na? So roots is 4 and 5. Clear? So I think this is 4. This is 5. 0 comma c. Matlab c is beta what? C will be, I think 0 comma 20. Minus 20. And this is what? This is 9 by 2. One by 4. I think clearly to all. Got it na?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Fourth number. Y is equal to x square plus x minus 1. Draw it fastly better. 1 minute. Beta. So question is y x square plus x plus minus 1. A is what? A is 1. B is 1. C minus 1. D is what? 4ac. Got it? B square. B is beta 1 ka square minus 4 times of A and C. Okay. So I think 1 plus 4, that is 5. X barabar minus 1 plus root 5 by 2. This is the roots. Draw the curve. XY axis. So I think better. So I'm better no need to any explanation. I'm just finally draw the graph fastly. Okay. This is better what? Minus 1 minus root 5 by 2. This is what? Minus 1 plus root 5 by 2. And this is minus half, and this is beta minus 5/4, 0 comma c. So this beta 0, this is what 0 comma minus 1, this coordinate. Okay now. So 4 number is completed. What about 5 number? Beta 4 is completed now. Any doubts? Guys, beta done now. Beta 5 number, just wait. 5 number, beta 5 number, 5 number, 6 number, and 7 number. That this is your homework. Work from home बेटा. Okay, घर से करके आओ इसको. And बेटा, one important thing, revise the lecture notes. Lecture notes every day. Okay, this is a very important thing. Okay, very important thing. Okay now. So revise the lecture notes every day. Thank you beta for today. Okay. Okay beta, thank you.